Namaste. Welcome to Bliss Sanctuary for Women. I'm Yuni. I'm a yoga instructor. So today I would like to give you a tutorial how to do headstand. Check it out.
Grab your elbow each other. Drop your elbow on the floor. And then interlock your fingers. Now drop your head between your palm, tuck your toes and lift your hips up. Bend your knees one by one into your chest. Engage your core and bring your knees away from your chest. And slowly straighten your legs up and keep engage your core. Tighten your legs. Keep your legs straight. Engage your core. Active your leg and find your balance. You can stay here as long as you can.
Okay, that's all a tutorial how to do headstand, and I hope this video can help you to improve your practice. And see you soon at Bliss Sanctuary for Women. Namaste and bye-bye.